Have you ever pondered what the future of news reporting might look like? What if we told you it's already here, thanks to artificial intelligence? The landscape of news reporting is in the midst of a dramatic evolution, propelled by the groundbreaking advancements in AI. These advancements are revolutionizing the way we consume information, breaking boundaries and expanding horizons. AI news platforms are now capable of gathering, analyzing, and processing a staggering amount of data from a multitude of sources. This means we are no longer restricted to the stories that a small group of journalists can cover. The scope of news has expanded, becoming as limitless as the internet itself. So picture a world where news is not only instant but also exhaustive, personalized, and accurate. That's the world we're stepping into, a world where the news is now as limitless as the internet itself, thanks to AI. But AI in news reporting isn't just about quantity, it's about quality too. In the vast ocean of information that is the internet, it's easy to get lost. Every day we're bombarded with articles, blogs, reports, and updates. It's a lot to sift through. But here's where AI swoops in to save the day. By understanding our preferences and behaviors, AI news platforms can personalize our news consumption. Imagine a world where you don't have to manually filter through countless articles to find the ones that interest you. Instead, the news finds you. It's like having your own personal news curator working round the clock to bring you stories that matter to you. But it's not just about personalizing what you read, it's about ensuring what you read is reliable. In a world where misinformation can spread faster than the truth, fact-checking is crucial. AI news platforms can assist in this important task. By analyzing the credibility of sources and identifying potentially misleading information, AI helps debunk misinformation. Think of it as a digital detective, tirelessly working to ensure that the news you consume is trustworthy. It's not about creating a world where AI replaces human fact-checkers, but rather one where AI and humans work together to ensure the integrity of news. AI's potential goes beyond just fact-checking. It can also analyze trends, detect biases, and even predict potential future news events based on patterns in the data. This means AI can help us not just understand the world as it is, but also as it could be. With AI news, not only do we get news tailored to our interests, we also get news that we can trust. The future of news is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So let's embrace this revolutionary technology and the new era of personalized, reliable news it brings. But what about the human touch in journalism? Does AI aim to replace our journalists? These are valid concerns, but rest assured, the answer is a resounding no. Artificial intelligence is not here to put journalists out of work. Rather, it's here to augment their capabilities, to enhance their ability to deliver the news we depend on. Imagine a journalist no longer buried in mountains of data, but instead, armed with AI, they can swiftly analyze vast amounts of information, leaving more time for what they do best: crafting compelling narratives, diving deep into investigative journalism, and providing in-depth analyses. AI takes on the repetitive tasks of data gathering and analysis, but the human touch, the emotional connection, the ethical considerations, these are elements that only a human journalist can provide. So, let's set the record straight. AI is not a replacement for journalists. It's a tool that enhances their reporting capabilities. So, what does this all mean for the future of news reporting? We're standing at the dawn of a new era in journalism, one where artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role. By harnessing AI's power, we're able to gather and analyze massive amounts of data from countless sources, ensuring we're always in the know. But it's not just about the quantity of news. It's about the quality. AI is personalizing our news consumption, delivering stories that are tailored to our interests and cutting through the noise. It's like having a personal news assistant, one that also happens to be an expert fact-checker, sifting out misinformation and helping us make more informed decisions. Moreover, AI is not here to replace our cherished journalists. Instead, it's here to augment their skills, freeing them from the grind of data gathering to focus on in-depth analysis and storytelling. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay engaged, and embrace the future of news. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.